Welcome back, viewers. In the last few videos, we have seen how to do the system update, remove the orphan packages, remove the package cache or clear the package cache, clear the font cache, edit the repositories using the Garuda Assistant. And in this video, we are going to see how to refresh the keyrings and refresh the mirror list. So let us start. First thing we will do is to refresh the keyrings. So keyrings are the first thing that are refreshed when the installation is done. So they might be already updated, but we will just check, and I will show it to you how the process is done. So here you can see it is syncing with the Arch Linux PGP keyrings. It is also checking the chaotic AUR PGP key. It is importing the trusted keys in the keyring, and it is updating the database, and the process is done. It just takes 2 or 3 seconds. So you have to just press the enter and log out of the terminal. Now we will refresh the mirror list. So mirror list is automatically done during the installation process along with the updation of the keyrings. But you can anytime manually do the updation of the mirror list and the keyrings. So what happens is many times the keyrings get expire and the new keyrings are introduced in the Arch Linux keyring on the server. And if you don't have that keyring installed on your system, the system won't update, or there will be error will be shown. So for that you have to sometimes you have to do the manual updation of the keyrings. And same is the case with the repository. So repository links might change, the servers might change, the mirrors might change, the address of the servers and mirrors might change. So time to time you will have to do the manual update also. You cannot be dependent on the automatic update every time. So you should know how to do the manual updation of the keyrings as well as the mirrors. So here you can see here these are the countries where the different mirrors are available for the Arch Linux. So by default, since I am in India local, the India mirrors are available, but I want to add some more mirrors to speed up my installer. So what happens is time to time some of the mirrors that were earlier installed or configured in your system, they might slow down because of the different data traffics. So you might want to change the mirror. So in that case, say the mirrors in India are not providing me with a fast service, I want to change. So what I will do is I will select the countries near me. For example, Singapore is near to India. Next is, I think Indonesia is also be near, or we can even go with the Iran. So let us go with Iran. And now you have to click OK. You have to select the country, click OK. And here you can sort by either country, score, delay, or rate. So rate of download, age of the download. So by selecting the age of download, you can select the repositories with the very latest packages. You can also select the mirrors based on the delay. So the delay to respond to your request. Then the scores of different mirrors or servers will be there. How they give the service, how fast they are, how stable service they are providing. So those scores are also there. So we will stick with the rate parameter for the sorting, and we will just click here on the OK button, and you can see here that number of refresh mirrors are there. You can increase or decrease this numbers. You can also decrease or increase the number of download timeout in seconds. So we will keep it default 10 and 5. And also you can give some additional parameters for the reflector. So that we are not going to do, we will just stick with the basic. Let us see what happens. So it will take around 1 or 2 minutes at the max to do the test. That's it. I think it has completed the test of the mirrors, and you can see here it has selected the 4 mirrors. So the Iran mirrors did not come up, only the Singapore and India mirrors were selected on the rate of the download. So you can save this new mirror list to the etc pacman.d mirror list. So the new mirror list will be saved and it will be used in the next subsequent update or upgrades. So you have to just provide your sudo or the root password, and the process is done. It is completed. You have to just press enter, and the mirrors and the keyrings are updated. So I will stop the video here. In the next video we will check out some more applications or the usage of Garuda Assistant. See you in the next video. Bye bye.